So I tore my groin again. The first time I did it, I was doing step-ups, but a groin is just an error. I actually didn't pull my groin. I tore my inner thigh, which is the adductor medius, on the in and out machine. You know, the one that's kind of like what Suzanne Summers designed. Anyways, I'll just show you. So how wide should I make this? So I'm getting one workout when I straighten my adductor again.
So you want to go to a point where you feel a stretch,
Okay.
but not to the point that you're maximally stretched, if you know what I mean. So open up the thing till you feel a nice stretch, because some people are more mobile than others. But just because you have mobility doesn't mean that you need to strengthen those areas. A little wider.
Wider? That's probably how I did it.
There.
That?
That's good, yeah.
That
So the
wider?
farther out you go, the higher risk you have of tearing because of the sliding filament theory of your muscles.
But how do I know if this is how I hurt myself? This smells like this is not where I hurt myself. Was I just going too heavy?
You might have been going too heavy.
Oh, it's a nice little weight.
Does that feel good?
So, any other tips? Any certain reps we should do? Or
So when it comes to adductors, I usually want to do higher reps
okay.
for more endurance instead of strength.
And then what does this like do? I mean,
So your adductor muscle brings your legs together. Your abductors bring your legs outward.
I mean, like physically, like visually, what does it do?
Brings your legs together, what you're
It
doing.
doesn't make it like bulky, right? Or
No.
touch anything.
So if you're going to go higher reps, you're going to get more of an endurance out of them. You can also go into hypertrophy. If you want them to be bulky, then you'll do higher weight, higher reps. If you want endurance, you'll do higher reps, lighter weight. For aerobic training of the adductor magnets. You're welcome.
Can I do
So
that now? So now you know what to do, what not to do. Don't use a lot of weight. Don't go out too far. You might think, well, why haven't you used that machine at all? Strengthening the inner thighs is actually a good thing to do, but you don't have to use that machine. It strengthens your core, it strengthens your knees, and you can kick higher. And if you want to get stronger outer thighs, you don't want weak inner thighs. Otherwise, you'd have an imbalance. So anyways, now you know what not to do to injure yourself like I did.